Hey guys, Norm here with Mobile Glass. We are doing, this is a long crack repair on a 2014 ML 350. It's a Mercedes SUV, as you can see. And I kind of got it covered up there. I want to leave it that way. I wasn't going to do this video, but it's turning out pretty well. They asked us just to stop the crack, not to backfill, but the backfilling is kind of taking care of itself for the most part. Crack's right here in the center bottom part of the windshield, and you can somewhat see it reflecting. It started or ended, I should say, there, so that's where I drilled. What we do here is we drill the end of the crack, like actually it's beyond where the crack is, so we drill a hole in the glass where we think the crack's going to go, beyond where it actually stops. And then once the hole is nice and smooth drilled, we force the crack to spread. It's really just by tapping on the glass, tapping on the windshield, to cause it to shoot into that bored out hole, that smooth hole, so that the crack won't continue. Then under pressure, we force resin back into that crack, and it's worked its way a good 6 to 8 inches. Now, there's also a spot where the rock hit. Let me put this mirror back here. And what we're doing right now is this is the part where we fill it and just kind of give it some time for the resin to work its way through. And it works so well that I wanted to show you this. And well, there's a lot of kids playing here, so there's a lot of background noise. Wasn't sure I wanted to do a video, but it's turning out so well for a simple crack stop, if you will, that I should share this with everyone. So this is where the rock first hit, right? Those are the ones that get you in the black paint area at the bottom of the windshield, below the windshield wipers. You don't see it, and it spreads into the clear part where you can see before you know it. Now, if you look really carefully here, you can see along that crack the resin bleeding out, but the resin has flowed all the way through from where I injected through the original damage, and where I drilled at the end of the crack. So as you can see here, depends on the angle, it kind of disappears where the resin's filled in. The only spot that didn't fill in very well is that elbow. So like I said, they didn't want to spend the extra. I could sit here and mess with it. It may take me a half hour longer or so to try to get that spot to fill in. It still won't be perfect, and essentially what they want to do is just stop this crack. They'll replace it eventually. So there at the base of the windshield, looks are not important. So we're just going to stop here and not try to get that corner filled in. But wanted to give you guys a look. I'll pause it here and I'll show you the end, show you the very end when I'm done cleaning up. But this is how you repair a long crack in a windshield. All right, we're almost finished up. I'll show you a little bit better here in just a second, but my camera was going to time out, so I had to unpause it there. I'll be right back and we'll show you the finished product. All right, here we go with the finished product. Yes, sir. That's where it's true. And along the way here, all finished. So you guys need help with auto glass repair replacement, just give us a call. Just perform long crack repairs, so we do that too. 800-557-3078. Thanks for watching.